Okay, folks, Farmer Marshall here. Just gonna take a real quick look through my garden. I've just started doing this, so this is actually my first video. But when you see how I put my videos together, you'll probably see that this is probably not at the beginning. But I figured I'd take a quick look. I was taking a lunch break. Take a look through my garden. See what I got here. I just picked some peppers yesterday. I guess I could pick those, because I ended up cooking with most of the ones that I picked yesterday. Have a nice supply of veggies here. Looks like my tomato plant is trying to escape. Starting a little compost area here, so I'm going to eventually get it boxed in, but I'm going to be replacing this fence sometime this summer. As you can see, I have some issues with it. It's going to be looking more like this. So, but it's a process. I have 43 sections of fence, and I'm going to be doing it myself because I'm too cheap to pay someone. This little puppy here is not so little. It's huge. It's almost getting out of control. But, you know, I figure I'll take a quick little tour through the garden. There's a little squash there. Not quite ready for picking, but close. See a few yellow leaves out here. Probably going to get out here and prune those off. All they're doing is wasting energy on the plant. The plant can be used as energy for other stuff. Here's one of my favorite plants. This was a cabbage. I had cabbage and collard greens for the summer, or for the fall, winter garden. And when I pulled stuff up, I guess I left a spot of part of a cabbage there. And all of a sudden, after I planted my spring summer garden, this thing started growing up, and maybe a couple weeks away from me harvesting it, but that's good because I have something else planted next to it. But I knew the cabbage was there when I planted that. I figured, you know, the cabbage would be gone soon enough. Have some good stories with some things going on back here, which I will be getting to later. Ooh, that squash has gotten real nice and big. Yeah, I'm going to be picking that one out later today. As you can see, I have a bunch of squash out here. My goal when I planted the garden in March was to get some stuff in early, because last year I had a bad year, horrible year. And I think it's because I started too late. So, a little zucchini up in there. I'm not sure if you can see that one. This is my new camera, so I'm trying to have to look at this video and see how things work out. So, if it doesn't look quite that perfect, this is my first time. Got a nice zook here. Trying to get that one a little bit bigger. I mean, that's store size, but I usually buy, or usually grow mine bigger than store size. Here's another little surprise that I ran into. I ran into this yesterday. This is right next to my compost bin, and that's a green bean plant, and I didn't plant it. So, always nice to have some little surprises out here. Oh, and oh my goodness, look at this baby here. A tomato plant. And I know that, you know, I get out here every day, but I really don't pay too much to this area back here, obviously. This is my compost area, but I realize it looks like I may have some corn. I had corn last year, but we shall see. Did not plant that one. So, anyway, I will be giving a more detailed video and explanation of everything I have here, but I figured I would just take a quick look at the Farmers Marshall little farm here. Truly a garden, but you know, I'm trying to feed my family and prepare for whatever this pandemic and rioting and all this other stuff, how that may affect me. Trying to prepare for that. So, and they're my buddies out there, my guard dogs. So, anyway, Farmer Marshall out.